How to fix no service on iPhone. Let's get started with the video. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, simply move into General and then move into Storage Update. In this page, if you see any of the software update, then you need to make sure that you are using the updated version of the software. If not, simply update it. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is go back and head over to General once again. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset at the bottom once again. Now simply click on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Now once again tap on Reset Network Settings. It will reset your network. Most of the time it has also fixed the issue that you have been facing, so you might be also good to go. If not, then the next thing you want to try doing is go back to your previous page once again. At the bottom of the page, click on Shutdown and then restart your device. It should fix the issue and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.